also use Google Ads to get more leads for your own business? Then this video can be really helpful for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can add your Google Ads leads to Privyr automatically without any manual intervention. This can be really helpful for you and save you a lot of time. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now you have two options on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. If you are an existing user like me, click on this sign in, login inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new lead form entry and select it and click on this connect. Now you're going to receive this web URL, so copy this web URL and open your Google Ads account. So over here, as you can see that this is my Google Ads account and this is the lead form using which I'm collecting the details of my lead. And in this lead form, I've selected first name, last name, email, phone number and company name. Now you have to make sure that you have to connect this lead form only with Pabbly Connect. So to do this, scroll and you're going to see the option of lead delivery. So open this and you're going to see the option to add this web URL. So simply paste the web URL which you copied from the workflow right over here. For the key, enter the key and click on this send test data. Once we click on this send test data, it is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow, and as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response of the test details. As you can see, it has captured the test first name, last name, phone number, company name and the email address. So my campaign is in draft mode, so I'm just going to use this test details only in order to show you how this automation can be created. You have two options. First option is that you can also use this test details and create this amazing automation, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. And second option which you have is you can click on this recapture webhook response and then wait until you receive a real lead. What you can do is, first of all, you have to make sure that your campaign is in live mode. Then you have to wait until you receive a real lead. Alright, once you receive the lead, automatically the response will be captured. You can move on further and create this automation, but I'll suggest you create this automation using the test lead details and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. After completing this Google Ads, click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for Privyr. So let's search for Privyr and select it. For the event, select it as create client and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Privyr and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking me for the Privyr authentication token. So to get this token, you have to follow the help text. You have to open your Privyr account. Then after this, you have to go to this integrations. Then scroll and you're going to see Pabbly Connect. So click on this configure, and once you click on this configure, this is the authorization token. So copy this token and paste it in your workflow and click on this save, and your Privyr account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. And after you connect your Privyr account with Pabbly Connect, it is going to ask you for many details. First of all, it is asking me for the names. Alright, I'm going to enter the name, but we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm going to map the name, email and phone number. Now this is lead source. So over here we have to enter the lead source. So let's say I'm going to enter the lead source as Google Ads. You can keep it as anything else too. I've entered this manually because this is not going to change with every new response. The lead source will remain same only, but the details of the lead will definitely change. Now over here it is asking me for the key. So I also want to add the company name right over here. So what I can do is I can switch on this, erase this and then type company name, and automatically a field for company name will be added right over here, and now I can map the company name too. Further, if you wish to add more details, you can enter comma separated value like this, comma city, and the field for city will be added. So like this, you can add as many as fields you want right over here and add the details of your lead there. And after entering all of these details, click on this save and send test request. Once you click on the save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a client in Privyr. So let's open it, and then we're going to go back towards the dashboard, and once we're on the dashboard, you're going to see that automatically this client is created. So let's open it, and as you can see all the details, you can see the first name, last name, the phone number, the email, the company name, and the lead source. Also, you can see it is saying webhook source is Pabbly Connect. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from Google Ads, automatically a new client will be created in Privyr. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. All of this is going to happen in backend, and we can just sit back and relax. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more amazing automation tips, everyone. Till then, if you wish, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.